Watch now because you are already late. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Have you ever felt like time is slipping away and you're running late for something important? The urgency to act, to catch up, to not miss out on life's opportunities can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that in the grand scheme of things, you're exactly where you need to be? That every moment, even the one you're in right now, holds the potential for growth, learning, and transformation. Let's explore this idea further. Embracing the present moment is a profound act of mindfulness and spiritual awareness. It means being fully engaged and attentive to the now, without being burdened by thoughts of the past or future. In this moment, you are alive, breathing, and capable of experiencing the beauty and wonder of existence. By grounding yourself in the present, you can cultivate a deep sense of gratitude for the simple blessings that surround you. This practice allows you to let go of anxieties about what has already happened or what might happen, freeing you to fully experience the richness of life as it unfolds. It invites you to notice the small miracles that often go unnoticed, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of birdsong, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind. Embracing the present moment also opens the door to deeper connections with others. When you are fully present with someone, listening attentively and without judgment, you create a space for authentic connection and understanding to blossom. This practice of presence can bring a profound sense of peace and fulfillment, reminding you that each moment is a gift to be cherished and savored. Trusting in divine timing is an act of faith and surrender to the belief that everything unfolds in its perfect time and order. It requires letting go of the need to control outcomes and instead placing trust in the wisdom of the universe. This trust is rooted in the understanding that there is a higher purpose guiding each step of your journey. When you trust in divine timing, you release the pressure of trying to force things to happen according to your timeline. You acknowledge that there are greater forces at play, orchestrating events in a way that serves your highest good, even if it may not seem apparent in the moment. This trust allows you to approach life with a sense of peace and acceptance, knowing that things will unfold as they are meant to. Trusting in divine timing also cultivates patience and resilience. It teaches you to embrace the present moment fully, rather than constantly striving for the next milestone. This mindset shift can bring a profound sense of relief and liberation as you release the burden of trying to control every aspect of your life. Releasing regret and guilt is a powerful act of self-compassion and forgiveness. It involves acknowledging past mistakes or actions with kindness and understanding, rather than judgment and self-condemnation. When you hold on to regret and guilt, you carry a heavy burden that weighs you down and prevents you from fully embracing the present moment. To release regret and guilt, you must first acknowledge and accept the past for what it is, an integral part of your journey that has shaped you into who you are today. This acceptance does not mean condoning past actions or denying their impact, but rather recognizing that you are more than your mistakes. Next, you can practice self-forgiveness by offering yourself the same compassion and understanding that you would offer to a friend. This involves letting go of harsh judgments and negative self-talk, and instead choosing to see yourself with kindness and empathy. Finally, releasing regret and guilt involves making amends where possible and learning from past experiences to grow and evolve. By embracing a mindset of self-compassion and forgiveness, you can free yourself from the chains of the past and step into a brighter, more empowered future. Cultivating a sense of urgency with purpose involves recognizing the importance of taking action towards your goals and aspirations with a focused and determined mindset. It's about understanding that time is a precious resource and that each moment presents an opportunity for growth and progress. When you cultivate a sense of urgency with purpose, you approach your tasks and responsibilities with a heightened awareness of their significance. This mindset shift helps you prioritize effectively, focusing on what truly matters and taking meaningful steps towards your goals. At the same time, cultivating a sense of urgency with purpose is not about rushing through life or succumbing to stress and anxiety. Instead, it's about finding a balance between diligence and patience, understanding that meaningful progress often requires sustained effort over time. By embracing a sense of urgency with purpose, you can infuse your actions with greater meaning and direction, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Finding peace in acceptance is a transformative practice of embracing life as it is, rather than how you wish it to be. It involves letting go of resistance and allowing yourself to fully experience the present moment without judgment or expectation. When you find peace in acceptance, you cultivate a sense of inner calm and contentment that transcends external circumstances. Acceptance does not mean that you passively resign yourself to undesirable situations or stop striving for positive change. Instead, it means acknowledging reality as it is, recognizing your limitations, and focusing on what you can control. This mindset shift allows you to approach challenges with a sense of clarity and resilience, knowing that you have the inner strength to face whatever comes your way. Finding peace in acceptance also involves letting go of the need for perfection and embracing the beauty of imperfection. It's about recognizing that life is inherently messy and unpredictable, and that true beauty lies in embracing the imperfect moments with an open heart and mind. In this way, finding peace in acceptance can bring a deep sense of liberation and serenity, allowing you to live more fully and authentically. Taking inspired action is about moving forward with a sense of purpose and intention, guided by your inner wisdom and intuition. It's about aligning your actions with your deepest values and aspirations, rather than simply reacting to external circumstances or following a predetermined path. When you take inspired action, you tap into a source of motivation and energy that goes beyond mere effort or willpower. This inner guidance helps you navigate life's complexities with clarity and confidence, knowing that you are moving in the direction of your true calling. Taking inspired action also involves being open to new possibilities and stepping outside of your comfort zone. It requires a willingness to embrace uncertainty and take calculated risks in pursuit of your dreams. This mindset of openness and courage can lead to unexpected opportunities and growth beyond what you thought possible. By taking inspired action, you not only create positive change in your own life, but also inspire others to do the same. Your actions become a beacon of hope and possibility, showing others what is possible when you align your actions with your deepest truths. Honoring your path and journey is a profound practice of self-respect and recognition of your unique life's trajectory. It involves embracing the experiences, challenges, and triumphs that have shaped you into the person you are today. By honoring your path and journey, you acknowledge the wisdom and growth that have come from each step along the way. This practice also involves accepting that your path may be different from others, and that comparison is not fruitful. Each individual's journey is unique, and honoring your own path means respecting the choices and decisions that have led you to where you are now. It's about trusting that your path is unfolding exactly as it should, even if it may not always align with societal expectations or norms. Honoring your path and journey also means being grateful for the lessons and blessings that have come your way. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of all experiences and understanding that even the most challenging moments have contributed to your growth and evolution. By honoring your path and journey, you cultivate a deep sense of self-awareness and appreciation for the richness of life's experiences. You learn to trust in your own resilience and wisdom, knowing that each step forward is a testament to your strength and courage. Embracing the beauty of impermanence is a profound practice of acknowledging the transient nature of all things in life. It is about recognizing that change is inevitable and that everything in the universe, including our thoughts, emotions, and physical form, is in a constant state of flux. When we embrace the beauty of impermanence, We learn to let go of attachment and expectations. We understand that holding on to things too tightly only leads to suffering, and instead, we cultivate a sense of gratitude for the present moment and all that it brings. Embracing impermanence also teaches us to appreciate the fleeting nature of life's joys and sorrows. It reminds us to savor the moments of happiness and to find solace in the knowledge that difficult times will pass. This practice invites us to live more fully and authentically, cherishing each experience as it comes without clinging to the past or fearing the future. It allows us to embrace the ebb and flow of life with grace and acceptance, knowing that change is not something to be feared, but rather something to be embraced as an integral part of the human experience.